Alright, today we're going to bring a digital pen. Now this one has a Type-C connection that you need to charge it. It's a 2-tap to turn it on. If you guys can see, there's a little tiny light, so we're going to turn it off. 1, 2, and it turns off automatically. To turn it on the same way, alright? Now included in the package in here, as you can see, they give you the actual charging device. It's a Type-C connection, so if you have an older iPad or anything like that, you can use this. Now it does give you actually two pen heads. If you guys can see, you can replace them. There's 2 of them in here. Very simple. Once you set it up, we're going to turn it on. 1, 2, and it should turn on green. There's a little tiny green button in there, right? And then we should be able to automatically use it. I didn't have to do anything. It picked up automatically. So we're going to see if it recognizes the palm rest. So we're going to do a test here. We're going to do a circle here, circle here, circle here, circle here, bigger circles, and then we're going to do wavy lines, all right? Another wavy line, straight line, straight line, straight line. Now what I like to do is drag the whole line across. Very simple. It didn't identify my palm rest. I actually set up pretty good, and it has a flat surface right here. There it is, and it just magnetizes there. It's the same way. Now the only thing is you do have to charge this on a Type-C, but you could actually charge it directly to the actual unit. If you have a new Pro version, you could use Type-C to Type-C. It will charge it. Very simple. This will last for many weeks, right? So the usage is very simple, and it turns off by itself if you forget to turn off or there's no activity. Now to turn it off again, 1, 2, and it turns off. It saves you battery. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.